I love this type of news, guys. Take a look. We pump 22% in the recent days by end of the May. And here is why the internet computer price just went parabolic 7 days ago. It was posted. So this was the parabolic move, right? And if they posted before 7 days, so this is what are we looking for? So 16% parabolic move? I'm not sure. But guys, don't be trapped with this media news. But what I know, the ICP now into accumulation zone. So it's definitely into accumulation zone. This is top assets in the accumulation zone on June 1st, 2024. Toncoin, internet computer, algorithms. I'm not sure about Venice, loons. Skip it. Grass, maybe centrifuge. So here's the 3 coins. What I talk all the time is the centrifuge, algorand, and ICP. I'm not showing you any coin, right? But like you know, I'm in algorand and I'm waiting the zone of interest for the ICP. Yes, you can say this about all of these coins are pure scam, but guys, we take a risk or not. That's why I just follow my plan and I wait my zone of interest. That's why I skip it the ICP, and if the coin will not drop to my zone of interest, I just skip it. It's more than okay. And I mean, I'm skipping it here at $3.50. So the zones for me personally, absolutely still the same. I wish to see, honestly, ICP under the $2. Again, grab this liquidity, what I posted before, under the $2.03, dump to the buy line, $1.74. At $1.74, I will be more than happy to start accumulate small portion of the ICP on a spot, or depends of where that time will be the BTC. Maybe I will just open just a futures trade with the second leverage, right? To hold for a long run. BTC now kind of in a bad situation, right? Because it's kind of fun. BTC at 62K, you know, at previous all-time highs, previous cycle all-time high, and fear and greed index almost at a lowest point. Everybody in total fear, you know, and everybody's waiting in 30K. Can we drop to the 30K? Yes, of course. But now the buy line for BTC, it's around 49,551. So this is it on the Binance futures. Maybe on the Bitfinex or any other exchanges on a spot a little bit higher, but approximately here, right? Targets for the BTC, I explained it million times. Maybe tomorrow I will post the update. So if BTC continue rally down from current prices to 50K, I will be more than happy. And I wish to see the ICP under $2. Maybe even under the $1, I will be more than happy. But I don't think so. We're going to drop under the low of October 25, but it's possible. So my first zone of interest for the ICP at this current moment, it's a daily time frame, buy line, $1.73. Until we trade just in the range, I'm not touching. I don't like this type of trend lines. A lot of people, I'm more than sure, draw this type of trend lines like support. But after that, we're going to break this line and everybody starts talking, oh, we're going down. And after that, we probably form something like this one. But this liquidity pool for me personally is so important to sweep. If not, all right, I skip it and I will be more than happy for the people who bought it. All right, so what we can see on a daily, here was a buy. Not a buy like money inflow from the whales. Here, the money outflow from the whales. All right, nice one. I saw some also news. This one, ICP ICE breakout as intercomputer becomes a crypto most used the blockchain. It's good, and this is a great example, guys. First of all, the mass adoption is not actual the price pump the price. So the people can use the ICP, for example, but it's not affect the price at all. It's good. Same time, it's bad for us like investors. All right. Second moment, what is good on this picture is this is not a DAT project. It can't be the DAT project, right? If this is the most used of the blockchain on Earth, imagine. So for example, the Polkadot is so great, right? But ICP is the DAT project. How the XRP can be the great in the future of financial system and the blockchain, and ICP can be that project. Guys, think about it. Think about it. So this is a real numbers, right? I'm not shilling you ICP. Just I want to tell you, don't be trapped with all of these media posts because the XRP, for example, got a bigger community, of course, than ICP. Of course. But who use XRP? Who use XRP? For what? The 10 years they showed the story about that, XRP is going to be the part of worldwide transactions like Swift. The Swift earlier they're going to run their own blockchain and the token, then they're going to start use the XRP. Come on. ICP pushes into Europe's sovereign cloud narrative. No makes sense. So this is just a part of the marketing. The mass adoption, the use blockchain users, it's real, right? That's clouds. We saw the million, not a million, but dozens of the project partnership with the Google Cloud in last 3 years, and what? Nothing, just literally nothing. So the Google Cloud chose the Solana like a validator, and what? So don't pay attention for that marketing campaigns. Well, time frame. The buy line is $1.81. Anyway, it's under this low. So grab this liquidity is so important. All right, so we can close this one. Money power, no money outflow, no money inflow yet. Weekly time frame, I wish to see this sweep. So mark the level and wait. From now, it could be like around 30% drop, and not in one single candle, but also it's possible to see even in one single candle in 1 week, for example, like it was here. Even $1.57, I'll be more than happy to buy. All right, no money outflow. At least it's good. At least it's good. Let's check, guys, with a smart money concept and trade on all other indicators, guys. I highly recommend you check by yourself. Link will be on the description below. You can test it totally for free. Yes, you hear me right. This was the break of structure, and this is a buybacks. I explain it what I don't like on ICP. We didn't show the signal take profit from the sell. So this is what I don't like. That's why I'm gonna add alert. Take profit from this sell of April 24. After that, I would like to see the signal to buy. And finally, the main rally for ICP. Smart money concept zones. No gaps, not below. No gaps on the weekly time frame. Daily. No gaps. 12 time frame. No gaps. 4 time frame. Just this tiny one. But so let's turn on the order blocks. Order blocks and liquidity. This is the first order block. What are we going to test it? 12 time frame. And this one, I don't think so. We're going to hold this one. That's why, yes, for me personally, this uptrend will broke pretty soon. Wrap us in a comment what do you think about ICP. If you'd like to trade with my customer site totally for free, link will be on the description below. See you next time.